My mom needs a last-minute birthday present for a friend of hers, so our plan for today is to do some upcycling and to turn this junky old spade and this metal lid thing into a cool side table for the garden. After some cleanup, our first job here was to actually repair the spade. Most of the rivets were sheared off, so we removed them and straightened the spade blade a bit. Then we used new rivets to join the pieces together again. I also had to temporarily remove the handle grip, so I ground off the rivets there and removed them as well. For the tabletop supports, I cut some square bar to length and then bent them using my homemade 3-roller vice straw doohickey. For some additional flair, I forged decorative ends onto the supports on both sides. I drilled the rivet holes into the supports and then moved on to the metal lid. There I used a step drill for the large center hole and also drilled the smaller holes to attach the supports. Moving on to the handle, I drilled the holes for attaching the supports and treated both the rusty metal and the wood with some boiled linseed oil. Pop rivets were used to fix the supports to the tabletop. Once all supports were attached, the whole assembly was slid onto the spade and the supports riveted to the handle using copper round stock. I really like the nice color contrast between these shiny copper rivets and the black steel. Lastly, the grip section was riveted back onto the spade, and with that, this convenient little side table for the garden was already finished. I'm pretty pleased with how this little afternoon project turned out, and I'm happy to report that the woman who my mom gifted this to was also thrilled. Let me know what you thought of this little side project, and I'll see you in the next one.